Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. You are doing good in your studies. Once again, warmly welcome in our lecture series that we are going to starting over. So this is about the lecture series of grade 9. Okay, so this is federal board. So now the chapter 8, geometry of straight line, question 10. Okay, we are on question 10. So let's move toward the question 10. So these questions are very important and interesting question. Okay, so let's write the solution first of all. So what the question is asking to us, prove that by using slope that the points A, B and C are the vertices of right angled triangle. Okay, so right angled triangle is what? So basically right angle triangle is a triangle having one angle is right angle. Basically one angle is 90. Okay. So we know that if one angle is 90, it means that these two sides, okay, these these two sides also called legs. So because these are same, these two sides are perpendicular. Okay, yes, because these two lines are perpendicular, so the angle is 90. So for let me say that this is the slope of for this slope, this is called m1 and this is called m2. Then the product of m1 into m2 must equal to -1. Okay, because these lines are perpendicular lines. Okay, so in right angle triangle, we will find the slope of AB, BC, and AC at the end. If the product of any two sides or any two lines equal to -1, then we will say that so these are perpendicular, so they form right angle triangle. So let's start. Okay, so let me write slope of AB first of all. Slope of AB. So how we can find the slope of AB? Let me write here like this. Slope of AB is equals to MAB y2 minus y1. So this is AB. Here y2 minus 5 and this minus 1. So y2 minus y1 is like this. Okay. x2 minus x1 minus 5 and minus 3. This x2 and x1 because of this AB. Okay, so let's make them more simple and we will get -5 and then +1 over that will be -8. Okay, so that will be -4 over -8. Yes, so after solving we will get the slope of AB line 1 by 2. Okay, because negative negative cancel and 4 1 time 4 and 4 2 time 8 and this negative also cancel with each other. So the slope of AB has done. Now let's move toward the next slope of BC. Okay, so just give the heading, do in a proper way slope of BC. Okay, so like this slope of BC. So for slope of BC, I will write like this. BC equals y2 minus y1. This BC. Here y2 is C. So 3 minus like this minus and into -5 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so 1 minus into -5 again. Okay, let's make more simple. Slope of BC that will be equals to 3 plus 5 over 1 plus 5. So that will be 8 over 6. Okay, after making more simple, what we will get? So let me draw the line here. Okay, so after making a little more simple, so 2 4s are 8 and here 2 3s are 6. So that will be, let me write here, slope of BC equals to 4 by 3. So I think, my dear students, you understand this. Okay. So now the next thing that we have to find is slope of, we had find AB and BC. Now AC is remaining. So let me write slope of AC. Okay. So slope of AC we are going to writing. So for this, slope of AC is equals to y2, this A and C. Okay. Y2 minus y1. So 3 minus into minus 1 over x2 minus x1. 1 minus 3. So I think that every student don't have to confusion to put the point over there. So 3 plus 1 here, because negative, negative, positive. And 1 minus 3, you look, greater values have negative sign, so negative 2. And so slope of AC will be here 4 by negative 2. So that will be negative 2. Okay, after solving with the help of calculator. Okay, now we have to think that what we have to think, if the product of any two side is negative 1, then we will say that, so these are uh, perpendicular. Okay, so just you can say here now, by checking like this. Okay, so by checking, first of all we check this, it's just look like the same. Okay, so slope of AB and AB and slope of, like this, AB and AC. Okay, so we will write here slope of AB multiply slope of AC. Slope is denoted by M, so no confusion should be there about that. So that is 1 by 2 times negative 2, because AC is negative 2 and AB is 1 by 2. So after just doing simplification, look, this 2 will be cancelled out. So what remain over there? Negative 1. Okay. So it means that, it means that the AB and AC are perpendicular. Okay. So AB and AC are perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. So A, B and C are the vertices of right triangle. Right triangle. So I hope every student understand this. So let's move toward the next question that is in front of us. So this question is also very interesting and easy question. Okay, so let's start. So let me write the solution and then we will see the question. Using slope, prove that A, B, C and D are the vertices of parallelogram. Okay. So basically, let me draw a simple diagram. Okay, if I will draw a parallelogram like this. Okay, so I have found a parallelogram that we will draw, and then, yes, so you people can consider this a parallelogram. Okay, so let me just make more clear and then, okay, so okay, So now we are going to writing the point beside the parallelogram. So to make the question more easy and interesting and simple. So this A, -2 and 1, this B, I suggest all the student to make like this, okay, 6, 3, and this C, 10 and 5, and then this D, 2, comma 3, okay. So we have to show that, we have to prove that these vertices are the vertices of parallelogram. In parallelogram, what happens? Two opposite sides are parallel. Here also, these two are parallel. Okay, this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this. Simple. Okay, so you should know that every student, slope of parallel lines, slope of parallel lines must be equal. Okay, are equal, you can say that. Okay, no problem, must be equal. Okay, so now like this. Okay, so just what we have to do, we just have to find the slope. Okay, so very simple way we will find, in just 1 minute we will solve 1 or 2 minutes, slope of AB first of all. Okay, so this AB, so look here, you can write AB here. Okay, then slope of AB is y2 minus y1. This AB, look, 3 minus 1, simple, over 6 minus 2. It's already negative, so you will just put in the bracket. I advise the student, don't do direct. Okay, so you can do the mistake. Okay, 6 plus 2, so that gonna be basically AB, that will be equals to 2 by 8, and that will be equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so this has done. Now move toward slope of what AB has done. Now slope of BC. Okay, so in a simple way we will find the slope of BC. So start writing, start solving the slope of BC. Okay, this is BC. So let me write slope of BC, y2 minus y1. Okay, so 5 minus 3 in a simple way, and there 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6. Okay, so 5 minus 3, 2, and 10 minus 6, 4. So that gonna be 1 by 4. Simple, sorry, 1 by 2. After simplifying, 1 by 2. So you can write here like this, 1 by 2. So slope of BC has done. Now let's move toward the next, slope of CD or DC. It's up to you. You can write anything. It's not a vector. You can write anything, CD or DC. In vectors, we have to follow the direction and move, but here, no need. So DC or CD, it's up to you, all the students. Okay. So don't worry about that. So let me write here, slope of DC, y2 minus y1. Where is DC? So 5 minus 3, like this, and the other is 10 minus 2. So what we will get here, 5 minus 3, 2, and here 10 minus 2 is 8. So that will be 1 by 4. Okay, so no problem will be there, no confusion will be there. So take it easy, don't worry about anything. You can ask any question if you face any problem or anything that you are feeling difficult. Okay, so the last, slope of AD or DA. Okay, what you want to write, you can write. If I will write DA, no problem. If you want to write AD, no problem. Okay, so take it easy. So Don't worry about that. So slope of, let me write here, dA is equals to, this is dA, y2 minus y1. So that gonna be 3 minus 1 and 2 minus into minus 2 like this. So we will get here 2 by 2 minus minus plus 2. Okay, so 2 by 4. So after simplifying, slope of dA 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 we got it. So I think you understand this. Look now, slope of dA, I will write here, slope of dA is 1 by 2, and this slope of BC, where is BC? Look, this BC, again this is 1 by 2. Okay, slope of AB, where is AB? 1 by 4. So we have to write here 1 by 4. Okay, we will write there 1 by 4. And again this also. AB is 1 by 4 and DC, this is also 1 by 4. Okay, so with the help of diagram, we solve this question. I hope you understand this question. No confusion will be there. In case of any problem, my dear students, you can ask in case of any problem where you are feeling difficulty. Okay, so this question in the next question, we'll see. You will see the next lecture. So then that time, take care. You can ask. I'm saying again in case of any problem. Allah Hafiz.